Want a professional management logo that really stands out? Let me show you how to create a modern abstract logo in Canva for free.
Canvoo.
Today, I'll show you how to create a modern abstract logo in Canva for free. This one's a special request from AT Tamvantia Dattara. So let's jump right in. First, make sure you've got Canva ready. If not, you can download it for free. The link is right down in the description. Once your canvas is open, search for the golden ratio element. Resize it like this. It helps keep your design perfectly balanced. Now, grab a circle shape and match its size to the golden ratio. Keep it nice and precise. Then, repeat the step until you have 3 circles, each one slightly smaller than the other. Next, delete the golden ratio. We don't need it anymore. Change the largest circle to dark blue, a color that represents trust, stability, and leadership. The smaller white circles represent individuals working together. Now, group these shapes together. Then copy and rotate them 90 degrees to form this pattern. Each side symbolizes departments or people aligned toward one goal. The 4-way symmetry, it stands for balance and strong organization. Let's add a name below. For example, Nexa Group. Clean, geometric, memorable. Here's a bonus tip. You can easily turn this logo into a pattern. Just duplicate and connect it like this. It's perfect for brand backgrounds, presentations, or packaging. Simple, professional, and ready for real brands. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more Canva logo tutorials, only here on Canvo.